Then he entered the temple and started to throw out those who were selling, saying to them, "It is written, 'My house will be a house of prayer,' but you have made it a cave of robbers." He continued teaching daily in the temple, but the chief priests and the scribes and the principal ones of the people were seeking to kill him. But they did not find any way to do this, for the people one and all kept hanging on to him to hear him. While returning to the city early in the morning, he felt hungry. He caught sight of a fig tree by the road and went to it, but he found nothing on it except leaves. And he said to it, "Let no fruit come from you ever again." And the fig tree withered instantly. Jesus entered the temple and threw out all those selling and buying in the temple, and he overturned the tables of the money changers and the benches of those selling doves. And he said to them, "It is written, 'My house will be called a house of prayer,' but you are making it a cave of robbers."